It's Anya, it's Anya. Oh, you come down, yeah. It's Anya. Now ask if she popular. Please like, subscribe, and watch the ads.
What's the gang? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, ensure that you subscribe right now, and of course, join the gang. And if you're a returning subscriber, gang. So guys, as you'll see from the title, today I'm back with another wig install wig review video. Guys, I'm super excited to share this wig with you guys. We're just jumping straight into the video because I look like a hot mess right now, and I really need to install this wig ASAP. Okay, so please remember to like, comment, share, and if you're new, subscribe. And guys, join the game. So this is what the wig box looks like. Really cute, really nice. Okay guys, so let's get into the packaging. So guys, in my package I have received a pair of wig caps, some wig tapes if you do not want to use the glue, a lace melt band, and of course, last but not least, our wig. So this is a 14-inch deep wave wig. Yes sir. And this is a 13 by 4 lace, guys, and I think it's 180% density, I should believe. Okay guys, so I'm not the best on bleaching the knots, but this is what this is looking like right now. I'm going to wait until probably 3 to 5 more minutes before rinsing it, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks after. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and do my ball cap method. Yes sir. Okay, so this is the knots right now. It is giving. Some of the bleach did got on the hair, like right here, but I'm definitely going to fix that. But the knots is definitely giving all. Guys, I'm already so in love with the wig. I really do love the curls. Also, I normally cut the excess lace off before laying it on my head, and I did not do it with this wig, so I'm nervous. But let's see how it turns out, guys. Guys, I'm so proud of myself. I did a pretty good job with this one. So we're gonna take our time and cut the excess lace off. You can use a scissors if you want, or a razor or anything, but I'm gonna be using this angle eyebrow razor. Okay guys, so now I'm just trying to get the wig to look like scalp, and this method did work. I used setting powder because I couldn't find my face powder, and the setting powder works
really good. Now guys, please remember to check the description out and click the link to go straight to this wig. Use my discount code and go and purchase something, because this wig, boo boo, it is giving.
You and me together, picture birth. I'll spend all my money on the top because you're worth it. It's just me and you. What you wanna do. Call me mine, spoil you like a baby. Thinking about you, dreaming about you, got me going crazy. What you wanna do. Now it's me and you.
Alrighty, it's time to take the elastic off, guys, and as you guys can see, the lace is really easy to work with. I love this lace so much. Like, look at this. Like, listen, what lace, people? What lace? Let's play find the lace. But guys, I love the lace. Like, it's super easy to work with, and also the quality of the hair is 10 out of 10. The lace, 10 out of 10. This is a A1 wig, and right here I'm just taking off a little excess lace that was needed to come off the wig, and yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect, guys. It is perfect. Okay, it's time to hot comb the wig right now to get this flat as possible, because child, we ain't wearing no big back puffy wig around here. Nah, that's not cute. Let's skip to the good part, guys. Now it's time to make the baby hair. And listen, I was making them to my liking, so if I know so you met them or I know so you like them, that's on you, but this is to please me, baby. And yeah, I love the way they turned out. Like, girl, yeah, angle, triangle, angle, that's cute. No, bro, y'all gonna see the finishing look. Like, it was so cute, y'all. Like, voila, look at that. Look and define curls, like super cute. And I did went in with some water to help me define the curls a little bit more. And the child, 10 out of 10 for the wig. People, gonna check the description out and go cop this wig right now, because baby, it is giving super cute bob wig. Mwah, chef kiss. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye. Love you guys so much.